So now let's see how you can freeze rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. So here you can see that I got a Google Sheet with a bunch of data in it. And if I want to freeze out, let's say the top row, if I were to scroll down, you can see that nothing is freezed out onto the top and nothing is freezed out over here onto the left. So what I want to do is I want to freeze out the top and the left side right here. That is one column and then one row. So in order to do that, I need to go around onto the view menu and then I need to go to freeze right here. And once I go to freeze, you can see that I can freeze no rows or one row and one column. So let me click on one row and let's see what happens. So there's a small line that appears right here. And if I were to scroll down, you can see that the top portion is has remained as it is. And if I were to scroll down, you can see only the data scrolls down right here. This might be useful in case of long list, where if you were to scroll down, you don't see the topic anymore and you know what the particular data are meant for. You can also go around and freeze around the column right here. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around onto the view menu and then I'm going to go to freeze. And then I'm going to select one column and this is what happens. Now, the same thing happens with the column as well. Similarly, you can go around onto view, you can go to freeze and you can freeze two rows if you want to as well. And you see this little line, you can actually click and drag it and it's like an interactive freezing as well. Let's say you want to freeze around in this section, you can go around into view and then you can go to freeze and then you can select up to current row as well. And it freezes out just like that as well. You can click and drag around and this is how it actually works. You can go around over here and there's different options right here. There's like you can go around and then work around with this. You can go around, click and drag this out right here and work around with the columns as well. You can go around into view right here and you can select no rows and then no columns as well, so that the freezing is removed as well. And that is how you can freeze rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.